This is how you'll clean even a very dirty toilet without any scrubbing. The fizzing foam will do all the work for you. Prepare a small bowl. Add 6 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has disinfecting properties and handles tough grime very well. Add 6 tablespoons of citric acid too. This natural ingredient has a whitening effect, removes limescale, neutralizes unpleasant odors, and boosts the cleaning power of the entire mixture. Pour the contents of the bowl into the toilet. But that's not all. Add a bit of your favorite dish soap. It will help break down greasy dirt. Next, pour about 1½ quarts of vinegar into the toilet. Vinegar has strong disinfecting properties. It effectively eliminates bacteria, fungi, and mold. When the ingredients combine, the mixture will start to fizz vigorously. This chemical reaction acts like an invisible brush that reaches every corner. Leave the foam for several minutes so it has time to dissolve dirt and disinfect the toilet interior. After just a few minutes, you'll notice a fresh, clean scent in the bathroom, and your toilet will shine like new.